In my last video, I compared the video quality of the main camera of the Air 3 and the Air 3S. After a long period of bad weather, I was finally able to repeat the test for the 70mm telephoto camera of both drones. And to say it up front, the results really amazed me. So stay until the end and let me know what you think in the comments. But now let's get started. Now let's first compare the specs of the two drones. First the DJI Air 3, and we insert it in the camera system. So the 3X telecamera has a 70mm. Okay, we know this already. Aperture is 2.8. And now do the same check with the DJI Air 3S. And if we look for the camera specs, so we see here we have exactly the same hardware. So from this perspective, I would expect the same quality from both drones for the 70mm telecamera. To make sure that both drones will follow exactly the same flight path, I did planning first here in Litchi and then exported this file as a CSV file. Now I took this CSV file and converted it using the Litchi utilities into a KMZ file and uploaded this KMZ file to both controllers. So what we did now, we started both drones and let them start their waypoint missions within a distance of about 30 seconds, so to make sure that we have the same lighting conditions and have a fair test. And how does it look like? Let's see. As in the previous test, both drones are set to normal mode, everything on automatic, and EV set to 0. Have you already figured out which drone is the Air 3 and which is the Air 3S? Zooming in, the difference becomes clearly visible. So what's the conclusion? Especially the last part surprised me a lot. Zooming in and the difference are obvious. Details are lost in the video of the Air 3. But to be fair, this part of the video was a flight into the sun, with the sun behind the trees. Tricky condition. Nevertheless, it seems the Air 3S can handle those situations better. The test with a 24mm camera showed similar results. Differences were only recognizable after zooming in. If you missed this video, you'll find the link in the description below. Comments on the video suggest similar quality, and one even said colors in the video of the Air 3 looks more natural. So what do you think? Is it worth to upgrade from the Air 3 to the Air 3S? Tell me what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.